All right, right now we got another call. Ice machine not making ice. As you can tell, it's stopped. Just about to see what's going on. Hopefully I can get this ice going. All right, so step one, I see that we got a lot of water and it's not draining. So let's see how we can combat that. And just like that, we got water. We got that thing filling back up. Let me show y'all what I did. So I was getting blinking up on my control board right here. So you can see this thing right here and this thing right here. The board was blinking, came back. I took this off, put it back on and resetted it. Now we got a full board working. There we go. There she goes. There she goes. No blinking light. Making ice. Just like that. So basically I came, this pan was filled to the top, as y'all can see. I shot back that out. I still had my blinking lights. So I went and resetted everything after I vacuumed everything out. I showed y'all the board and what the board did and how I did that. Turned it back on, and that's what we did. I'm gonna sit and watch this for about 30 minutes, make sure it drops ice 2 times cycles, and then we're gonna call it.